the night, down the hills. I gotta tell you something you don't want to hear. I'm gonna show you where it's dark, but have no fear.
There's something inside you. It's hard to explain. They're talking about you, boy, but you're still the same. There's something inside you. It's hard to explain. They're talking about you, boy, but you're still the same.
I'm giving you a night call to tell you how I feel. I want to drive you through the night, down the hills. I gotta tell you something you don't want to hear. I'm gonna show you where it's dark, but have no fear.
There's something inside you. It's hard to explain. They're talking about you, boy, but you're still the same. There's something inside you. It's hard to explain. They're talking about you, boy, but you're still the same. There's something inside you. There's something inside you. It's hard to explain. It's hard to explain. They're talking about you, boy, but you're still the same.
What you gonna do is good music and G-Unit.
Yeah. Banks. Low salt.
Ladies and gentlemen, you know they mad cause I'm hood rich. You never ever seen a nigga good trick. You want a problem? Start it up. Start it up. Start it up. Wait a minute.
Big blue, cotton candy shoot, cotton candy coop, hard knock, off in any loop, off the stoop. Play with me, see what the screamy do. My canary shoot, high beams pointed right at you. Peekaboo, Benji paper made me hater proof. All your fame reduced. Najee Twice, purple haze and goose, got me loose. Kick my way and now I got the juice. Gucci bubble groups, 1,000 kicks, couple hundred boots, getting fucking loot. My top down. I'm flashing on them, I'm passing all them, pull over and hit the hazards on them. The ratchets on them, pay my dues, now it's back to ballin'. My raps are boring, dead man, I dip the casket for them. I'm back performing, I bag them, break their back, don't call them. Look down on them, like the Ken Bay, Patrick Morning. Cash is pouring, stunt storming, got these bitches up. Camera phones capture everything, the pictures.
You know they mad cause I'm hood rich. You never ever seen a nigga good trick. You want a problem? Start it up. Start it up. Start it up. You know they mad cause I'm hood rich. You never ever seen a nigga good trick. You want a problem? Start it up, start it up, start it up. Wait a minute, wait a minute.
Who keep his G's in an alloy safe? It's that's the weed in the Altoid case. They say good things come to those who wait, so I'ma be at least about an hour late. I'm so fresh, bitch, I should be arrested. New Cody Tesla with my nuts on your chest, bitch. She said, hey, I said, yes, bitch. Damn, I'm only asking you a question. I met this MILF at the All-Star getting action. A cougar with more rings than Phil Jackson. Told her beauty is why God invented eyeballs, and her booty is why God invented my balls. I'm a rock star. Start it up. Start it up, start it up. So popular, you should get a shot of us. Niggas gon' take shots at us, that is only obvious. The first album I vomited, the second I colonicked it. Ain't nobody fucking with me, I plutonicked it. Bet I got some slippers on, bet niggas gon' honor it. These ain't even real clothes, homie, I'm pajama rich. Banks told me, homie, gon' switch the stat.